All right, gang. Welcome to Grim Racer Trophy Hunter series. Videos, we'll be doing some videos on just chasing a trophy, right? And today we're going to be racing model boats with the Twin Cities Model Boat Club and the WWMA, Western Wisconsin Modelers Association. So the Western Wisconsin Modelers Association owns or maintains a pond near Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and our local club has been kind of involved a little bit in keeping that pond and keeping that water in shape. So anyway, we're gonna have a little race today. It won't be big, there won't be many people, but you know, supporting the club, supporting club activities, it's a big part of being a modeler. And so let's go see if we can chase down some trophies. Here we go. Gang, you can see we're here at the Blue Beaver Pond in Chippewa Falls, Wisconsin, and we're getting ready to just do some, probably have a few heat races. You can see some of the guys in the background, Bob Bonahum, Greg Bonahum, Ron Travis, a few of the other guys from the cities, which that's a nice deal. Dave Petrich is here. They brought their trailer, so we're in pretty good shape. Greg Bonahum just made a run with his 20 boat. And you can see we've got a few boats here. Now again, this is club level stuff. This is where it all happens. This is where it begins. So we don't want to leave any of this out. This is where it grows. This is where it comes from. You get Tim Dawson getting ready to go make a run. Let's get some video of some boats running. Hey gang, we're at the end of round 2. 40 hydro going out now. Let's take a look. Big got it a little thick in the water. You got a little thick there, Big. Woo. That was a good recovery. It's all orange, Well, gang, we're just about home. Had a wonderful day of running boats and heat racing with some of the members of the Twin Cities Model Boat Club and the WWMA. We had a blast. How big was the turnout? Well, we had about 9 racers there. And you know what? It didn't need to be big to have a great time. It all starts at the club level. Club levels build big races. So very lucky to be able to have this facility. Our pond owner is a super good guy. And anyway, I hope you enjoyed some of the race content. If you did, go ahead and like and subscribe to the channel, please. And let's do that again soon. Later. Grim Racer out.